Easy. What's that? This guy just alt F4, dude. Oh my. Yeah. Yep. Oh yeah, that's definitely fucking faster fire rate. Yep, I killed him.
That's about what I figured. Are you a friend with Atrax?
Oh. What? Does it fucking work?
Uploaded it, penny myself. No one believes me about the monster.
Yeah.
And how?
Oh, here we go. Got him.
And you ain't got video of it too. I appreciate the video though. I really
Oh, no
do.
problem. Yeah, Bethesda's
Alright,
gonna
no
do
problem.
nothing
So-
because we don't cheat, so yeah.
Oh,
Have
now
fun with
y'all
that.
wanna do that. You got video of you fucking cheating, bitch.
Oh yeah, we're cheating? How? How are we cheating?
Why you are
Bum
angry?
ass loser, man.
Oh, we're
Mama
cheaters?
didn't love you.
You're
Mama
just
didn't
mad.
love you enough.
Aw, you're mad because we
What
took
about
your
you,
junk.
big bitch? Mama didn't You're love cheating, buddy. Cheating.
Who's cheating?
Hey.
You are cheating.
You must not know what
you want me to get
assassin
another
armor
video
is.
of you cheating?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, go for it. We ain't cheating. We're the real deal, buddy.
Yeah, y'all be banned. I promise you that.
I doubt it.
Yeah.
I don't think so. Have fun.
Good luck. Bye bye.
Shooting me. So
Yeah,
but
so it's a
not
PvP
me,
game.
and you're
How's
showing
that make
that
me
I'm
toxic? I want to
toxic.
see if you want to
Just-
fight.
very toxic. No, I don't want to fight with you. You're just being toxic.
Being toxic? Okay, that's fair.
Do you know that?
Have a good day.
Wait the fuck up. Whoa. You called me toxic as well, and I never touched you? Dude, do you know the
'Cause I'm
definition of being...
triggering it. Oh, just like... Oh, here we go. He shot me. Nice. Yeah. Yeah. Got him again. Easy. This fuck, you just suck. Yep. Yeah, this and the carbine are about the same.
Not that easy when someone is fighting back. No, you too.